In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix access denied when opening the Android data folder without using ZArchiver. This problem usually happens on newer Android versions where the system restricts access to the Android and data folders. As a result, when we try to open them using a normal file manager, we get an access denied message or the folder cannot be opened at all. So, in this video, I'll show you a safe method, no root required, and without ZArchiver. We'll use ZX File Manager combined with Shizuku. First, please install these two apps from the Play Store. ZX File Manager, Shizuku. Once both apps are installed, we can continue. Open the Shizuku app, tap on Pairing, then tap Notification Options and enable notifications. Next, we need to enable developer options on your phone. Go to Settings, select About Phone, open Software Information. Tap Build number 7 times until developer options are activated. In this video, I'm using a Vivo phone. If you're using a different brand, the menu layout may be slightly different, but the steps are basically the same. After developer options are enabled, go back to Settings. Open Developer Options, enable Wireless Debugging. Tap Wireless Debugging again, then select Pair Device. You'll see a 6-digit pairing code. Enter this code through the Shizuku notification. If the pairing is successful, return to the Shizuku app and tap Start. Once Shizuku is running, open Authorized Applications. Enable ZX File Manager to grant it the required system permissions. Now, open ZX File Manager. Go to Main Storage. Open the Android folder. Then open the Data folder. At this point, you should be able to access the folder without seeing the Access Denied message. You can now open, copy, move, or manage app data files as needed. This method works for many purposes, such as accessing app data folders, moving downloaded files, backing up app data, or other tasks that were previously blocked.